Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Manston Air video. And I have to say ladies and gentlemen now because, of course, we do have a lady involved at Manston Air Group. So welcome to you. So today is just an update video on the MAG, GSX Airports and Jetways scripts that I developed, simply to improve the boot up time of Microsoft Flight Simulator. So with GSX, there's a lot of small files that need to be processed upon the booting of the simulator. And one of the ideas I came up with was simply to just enable the airfields that you intend to use. So I came up with a script that enables only MAG airfields, that is departure airfields, destination airfields, and indeed preferred alternate airfields. Now those scripts work fine, but they did mean that you had to use Notepad++, go ahead and edit the scripts to tell the scripts where your add-on manager folder is. Now I've come up with a little bit more of a polished product now in the form of a wizard, and hopefully it should make it a bit more user-friendly for the average person to use and get to grips with. So I'm going to run through it today and show you exactly how it works and let you know how you can get your hands on it. So first of all, it is available already on the website. If you go to the other downloads part of the website, you'll see it here, Manston Air Group, GSX Airports and Jetways Wizard. It's updated today and available for download. So how do we use it? So the first thing is we need to start with a clean sheet, basically. So you need to go to your FSDT Universal Installer program and then go to Config and then ensure that everything is disabled. So if you've got anything in your enabled list, it's usually actually full by default. Then you simply click these three chevrons to move everything across into the disabled side. So on the Jetway configuration files, we use the three chevrons, and on the GSX World Airport Services configuration, we use the three chevrons. Then we click Apply and wait for that to apply the files. Once it says it's loading files and it's complete, the enabled list for both the Jetways and the airport services should be completely empty, and your disabled list should be completely full. So once that is complete, then we can go ahead and run the program. Now when we run the program, it's going to come up with a message that will tell us exactly to do this. So it's just going to lead you through this process, right? But we're doing it ahead of time just to show you exactly how it would work. While we wait for it, let's have a quick look at, there it is, okay. So FSDT Universal Installer enabled, empty, and disabled full, exactly as we want it. We can now go ahead and close and exit. Now we go to our new MAG, GSX Airports and Jetways wizard. So we can go ahead and open that. And as I said, it comes up with this little instructions box. It tells us to disable all the Jetway configuration airport services configurations files within the FSDT Universal Installer config. After that, then we need to find the FSDT add-on manager location, and it will give you a clue as to where it is, but I know exactly where mine is, and we'll run through that now. So this is the interface. It's fairly simple and straightforward. All you're going to do is click Browse to find your add-on manager path. This is my add-on manager path. In my F drive, Program Files x86 add-on manager, I select it there. And then you're going to hit Run Scripts. It's going to run these scripts and give you a successful message, hopefully, which you click OK, and then you can go ahead and close the wizard, and it's done. So we can go ahead and check its work by going back to the FSDT installer and ensuring that those airfields have indeed been enabled. We'll go to Config now. With any luck, the enabled list should be populated with MAG airfields. And it is. Look at that. So it's working exactly as published, and we can go ahead if we wanted to and add more airfields to that list. So let's say we wanted to add Heathrow. We can do that very easily just by clicking, putting in Echo Golf Lima Lima and using the single chevron to bring it across to the enabled list. And then we can go ahead and apply those changes, and hopefully then it should, if we type in Echo Golf Lima Lima, come up on the enabled side again. So it works exactly as prescribed. The list populates with the MAG airfields plus whatever you want to add on extra afterwards you can do, and it doesn't break anything. That's the main thing. So I hope that's a nice update for you. Very very nifty tool, MAG, GSX, Airports and Jetways Wizard. My plan is to continue updating this as we add more airfields to our route network. It is quite a lengthy process, as you can imagine, to come up with the list of all the departure and destination and preferred alternate airfields. But I'm going to come up with some sort of a script or program that can help me narrow down that list quite easily. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and look forward to the next episode. Cheers.